everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm doing Fall Food Friday. This is week number 3, and Falon over on Moss Family TV is sponsoring this Fall Food Friday this month in September. She usually does it in October, but she did it early this year in September, and I participated in it last year, and I really enjoyed it, and I also have been enjoying it this year. The ladies have really been cooking up some good recipes. So if y'all haven't been watching the collab, y'all need to check into it, and I think you'll really enjoy it. And also, I'm making a recipe from Jane Morrell's channel, Large Family Table. And it was a really good recipe, and when me and Calvin seen this recipe, we said we just got to try that. And so that's what I'm making for my Fall Food Friday meal today. And I know if y'all check her channel out too, y'all really like her. And I think this recipe is going to be really good. So let me get started on this easy crock pot recipe. What we liked about this recipe, this navy bean and ham recipe, is that it's got vegetables in it, it's got celery in it, it's got carrots in it, and onion. And so we've never seen a recipe like this one with vegetables in it, and so we wanted to give it a try. So let me clean off my counter and get started. For this navy beans and ham recipe, I'm going to be chopping 1 onion, 2 stalks of celery, and 2 carrots. So let me get started on my prep work. Okay, now I'm going to start dumping my ingredients in my crock pot, and it's basically just a dump and go recipe. It's really easy, and I can't wait to try this recipe. So I'm going to put in my carrots, and the recipe will be in the description below. Okay, I'm going to put in my onion, my celery, my washed on and looked at navy beans, and there wasn't even a rock in these. Okay. Now then, I'm going to put in my tomatoes. And now I'm going to be putting in my chicken broth. I can smell those tomatoes. Okay. Give this a little stir. Now I'm going to be putting in my ham. So I'm going to be putting in my thyme, and my salt and black pepper. You can do this to your taste. and my garlic. And I'm going to stir it up. It really smells good. And it's got really good color in it too. Okay. I'm going to put my lid on it. And I'm going to cook this for about 6 hours on low. And I'm also going to be making some Mexican cornbread to go with it. So I'll see you in a little while. Hi, I'm Marie and I'm back. My crock pot navy bean soup has been cooking for a little over 6 hours. And so now I'm going to do the taste test. Our house has been smelling good all day today. Now the part that I always like the best. Oh, man, that smells good. Okay, this is going to be super hot. So, okay. All right, now I'm going to do the taste test. That is really good. Now then I'm going to taste my cornbread. This right here is also delicious. I'm going to taste the cheese in it and green peppers in it. Let's see, what are those peppers called? It just slipped my mind.
Green chilies?
Oh yeah, green chilies. Okay. Yeah, and taste them and they really taste good. So, once again, I cooked this meal for Fall Friday and I hope everyone will like this recipe. I know that me and Calvin's going to because it really tastes great. And I have really enjoyed participating in Fall Friday this September. So do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great day. Bye.